Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study law fast. First, focus on understanding the fundamental principles of each legal area. Don't just memorize, grasp the why behind the rules. Next, create concise outlines that condense complex information into manageable summaries. This helps you see the big picture and recall details efficiently. Finally, regularly test yourself using practice questions and flashcards to reinforce learning and identify weak spots. To optimize your learning, embrace the IRAC method for analyzing cases. It provides a structured approach to legal problem solving. Collaborating in a study group can also be incredibly beneficial, offering diverse viewpoints and clarifying difficult concepts. Remember to schedule dedicated study blocks, perhaps 25-minute intervals, followed by short breaks. This technique, often called the Pomodoro method, significantly boosts concentration and prevents burnout, making your study time more productive. When preparing for exams, practicing with past papers under timed conditions is crucial. This helps you manage your time effectively and understand the format. Focus on mastering essay question structures, identifying common issues, and crafting clear, concise answers. Regularly reviewing your comprehensive outlines and flashcards in the weeks before exams will keep the material fresh. Aim for at least 1 hour of focused review each day to solidify your knowledge and boost confidence. To sustain your study momentum, remember to incorporate regular breaks into your schedule. Stepping away, even for 10 to 15 minutes, can significantly improve focus and prevent burnout. Actively seek feedback on your practice essays from professors or peers. Constructive criticism is invaluable for refining your legal analysis. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your study environment, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals linked in the description below. Keep pushing forward, and you'll achieve your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.